This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Charming one-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and attached 2-car garage. Spacious open floor plan that has been freshly painted. Cypress Springs offers its families 2 huge parks complete with basketball court, jogging trails, covered pavilions and exercise stations. This home will not last long. Schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.